Very good day, all my lovely colleagues. Today's leadership topic I want to talk about is about right thinking. So, I learned this in one of my friends while traveling. He quoted that reality begins in thoughts. And then I learned another one liner from the greatest leadership guru that right thinking leads to wise living, and wise thinking leads to wise living. And it is so true that reality begins in thoughts because thoughts are energy and energy is what manifests. So, one of the things which we need to cultivate is the habit of right thinking and right doing. Now, I'm sure all of us are doing it. All of our all of us in our capability try to give our best as great leaders. No one wants to not perform or be at the best as a being. So everybody is doing their best to be the best. But the point is, the best part of what people are doing best or we are doing best. What is the magnitude of that best? Is this magnitude of doing best and thinking best a limited one? Or you have a huge ambition and a huge calling to grow its size. And just in case if routine is catching you and you're not able to spend time after your routine, after your duties, after your responsibilities, sweet responsibilities, towards scaling self up to the limitless possibility and getting stuck in the present situation but not on the possibility side, most of the time is going towards present situation, then I think there is a switch and a shift needed in thinking that I'll work on my possibility each day, every day, incremental or exponential, but scaling it up, taking it up towards my possibility with no limit in mind. And of course, I will take care of my responsibilities, daily routine, my office, my leaders, my colleague, my business very well. And then I'll spend time on my own personal self growth and self development, not limiting it to the present situation, but taking it limitless towards the possibility which I carry in terms of little wisdom, in terms of passion, in terms of fuel inside. So when we funnel this fuel with no thinking barrier or no low thinking barrier, then our own size gets reflected outside, which is limitless, which has immense possibility, which has immense creativity, which has immense power in terms of passion and purpose. So, the question which I have for you today for deep self reflection is: are you, God abide, entangled in the routine only, which is becoming your present situation holding up? Or you are taking care of your present situation beautifully, but in parallel, you are working on your possibility. So these are parallels. So present situation, possibility, you are in between. There can be competing priorities. There can be stretching which is required. But if you stretch, you are in the middle. If you stretch here plus here equally, you can take grip here, you can take grip here. Present situation, possibility, fabulous leader, and scale it up. So the second question is, if you are in between and you are stuck more on present situation, but you're not thinking towards possibility, then you will never be able to take grip and scale it up because you're not thinking here. But if you are thinking here, possibility led and present led, and you are doing here possibility led, something towards your passion, purpose, calling, positioning fully, and your present situation also you are doing fully, and you have stretched yourself to take these two grips by both thinking and doing, then you are unstoppable. Because the intent is there, intuition is there, beautiful actions are there on both the lids. So be at the center. Get the power in the center from the source within. Take grip of both and scale it up. Scale it up beautifully as a massive leader, as a massive inspiration for yourself, as a massive force which is within you, so that you become unstoppable through the source on achieving anything in abundance with the larger you in you into execution. God bless you all. Happy leading and happy scaling up.